Hi friends, I am Ravi Rajput. I am an affiliate marketer and I make my all money with the help of this business. Okay, I am getting many messages and emails, and now people asking me what is this and what type of business is this. So I will try to explain a little bit about this business, and I hope with that you will know what this business is all about. So let's go on our desktop, and I will try to demonstrate a little bit about this business. So the first question is, what is the affiliate marketing? So now I will explain. Affiliate marketing is the business from which you will make money by selling someone else's product as an affiliate. You will make your money as a commission. So now I will explain how this whole business works. Suppose a seller have a one product and he want to sell that product more and more. So what seller will do? Seller will go to the affiliate network who have more affiliates. More affiliates means seller will get more promotion, more people will promote this product, and more people will see the seller's product, and with that seller will get more sales and affiliates will make more commission and affiliate network will get money with that. Okay, this is how this whole business works. Now I will show you one example of an affiliate network. It is called Zvizu. You can mostly get a software to promote from this Zvizu network. I meet around let me see. Yeah, I made more than $2,000 with the help of affiliate marketing on this network. This is not the only affiliate network on the internet. If you will search on the internet, you will get many affiliate networks like that, and from there, you can choose any product you want and can promote to make money online, right? Now the question is, you made money, you did everything right. How you will get this money into your bank account? So I hope you heard about the PayPal, Pazza, Pioneer. They will help you to do that. They will affiliate network will transfer that money to the PayPal, Pazza, and PayPal will transfer that money into your bank account. This is a simple process. With that, you will get your earning commissions into your bank account, right? Now, most common questions people asking me that this business is only for pro marketers or beginners also can do this. So I just want to say this affiliate marketing business is best for the beginners because you don't need any products. You can promote this all products with the help of your knowledge, information, and with that you can make money. You don't need product, and in some cases you don't even need your website. And with that you can start your online business easily. If you want to start this online business, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and want to start this business, and if you are serious about this business, then you can join One Funnel a Week challenge. And in this 30 days training program, you will learn everything step by step about the affiliate marketing, right? Like how to create funnels, how to drive traffic, how to promote products, and many more things like that. And with that, you can start your business easily. If you want to join, link is given in description. You can join and can start this business from scratch easily. In my new upcoming videos, I will explain more about this business like tools and many more things. So please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my upcoming new videos.